Now we will discuss the other way to express the concentration of a solution, that is mass by volume percentage of solution. How we calculate that? So in this case, first of all, mass of solute is taken. Now mass by volume. So we will divide it by volume of solution, means how much mass of solute is dissolved in given volume of the solution, and as it is percentage we will multiply it by 100. Mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. If you are given the volumes of solute and solvent separately, you can add them to make the volume of the solution. So mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Okay. Now we will do a numerical based on mass by volume percentage. So the question is, find out the mass by volume of 15% solution of sulfuric acid. So now in this case you are given 15% solution of sulfuric acid. So what does it mean? It means that 15 gram, read it very carefully, 15% solution, this is given mass by mass percent. This is given mass by mass percent. So it means 15 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 100 gram of 15 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 100 gram of solution, because the percentage is out of 100. That is why we have taken, for convenience, 15 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 100 gram of solution, because you are given 15% solution of sulfuric acid. Okay. Now you are having the mass of solute is 15 gram, the mass of solution is 100 gram. Okay. Now see, you are also given density. We know that the formula of density is mass by volume. For the mass by volume percentage, you need to know the volume of the solution. So by this formula we can calculate the volume of the solution. So volume of solution is equals to mass of solution upon density. Volume of solution can be given up by mass of solution upon density. So now you can see mass of solution is 100 gram. You can see here. So the volume is 100 upon density you are given in question 1.02 gram per milliliter divided by 1.02. Okay. This decimal can be removed. So when you calculate it, the value comes out to be 98.04 milliliter. The value comes out to be 98.04 milliliter. Okay. Now you are having the volume, and you are also having the mass of solute. So just put it in the formula, percentage mass by volume is equals to mass of solute upon volume of solution into 100. Okay. So mass of solute is 15 gram. 15 upon volume you have calculated 98.04 into 100. the answer comes out to be, when you calculate it, 15.3%. So the mass by volume percent of this solution comes out to be 15.3%.